Modern real estate practice, page 4. Purchase decisions. Frequently, a real estate sales contract will be conditioned upon the inspector's report. Counseling. Counseling involves providing clients with competent, independent advice based on sound professional judgment. A real estate counselor helps clients choose among the various alternatives involved in purchasing, using, or investing in property. A counselor's role is to furnish clients with the information needed to make informed decisions. Professional real estate counselors must have a high degree of industry expertise. Education. Real estate education is available to both practitioners and consumers. Colleges and universities, private schools, and trade organizations all conduct real estate courses and seminars covering topics from the principles of a pre-licensing program to the technical aspects of tax and exchange law. State licensing laws establish the minimum educational requirements for obtaining and keeping a real estate license. Continuing education helps ensure that licensees keep their skills and knowledge current. Other areas. Many other professionals are involved in real estate, including lawyers who specialize in this area of practice, land use planners employed by state and local agencies, and tax assessors. Professional organizations and ethics. Many trade organizations serve the real estate business. Some of them have already been mentioned. The largest is the National Association of Realtors, NAR, whose website is www.realtor.org. NAR is composed of state, regional, and local associations. NAR also sponsors various affiliated organizations that offer professional designations to brokers, salespersons, appraisers, and others who complete required courses in area of special interest. Members of NAR are entitled to be known as realtors or realtor associates. NAR affiliates. NAR has many affiliated institutes, societies, and councils that are available to members who wish to increase their knowledge of a specialized area of real estate practice and earn the accompanying designation. These include the following: Counselors of Real Estate, CRE, www.cre.org. Commercial Investment Real Estate Institute, CIREI, www.ccim.com. Institute of Real Estate Management, IREM, www.irem.org. Realtors Land Institute, RLI, www.rliland.com. Certified Real Estate Brokerage Manager, CRB, www.crb.com. Certified Residential Specialist, CRS, www.crs.com. Graduate Realtor Institute, GRI, www.realtor.org. Council of Residential Specialists, CRS, www.crs.com. Page 5. Society of Industrial and Office Realtors, SIOR, www.sior.com. Women's Council of Realtors, WCR, www.wcr.org. Other professional associations are mentioned throughout the text. Professional ethics. Professional conduct involves more than just complying with the law. In real estate, state licensing laws establish what activities are illegal and therefore prohibited. Merely complying with the letter of the law may not be enough. Real estate professionals may perform legally, yet not ethically. Ethics refers to a system of moral principles, rules, and standards of conduct. These moral principles do two things. They establish standards for integrity and competence in dealing with consumers of an industry's services. They define a code of conduct for relations within the industry among its professionals. Code of ethics. One way that many organizations address ethics among their members or in their respective businesses is by adopting codes of professional conduct. A code of ethics is a written system of standards for ethical conduct. The code contains statements designed to advise, guide, and regulate behavior. To be effective, a code of ethics must be specific by dictating rules that either prohibit or demand certain behavior, by including sanctions for violators. A code of ethics becomes more effective. Realtors are expected to subscribe to NAR's Code of Ethics. NAR has established procedures for professional standards committees at the local, state, and national levels of the organization to administer compliance to the Code of Ethics. Practical applications of the articles of the code are known as standards of practice. The NAR Code of Ethics contains practical applications of business ethics. The National Association of Real Estate Brokers, NAREB, whose members are known as Realtists, also adheres to a code of ethics. NAREB arose out of the early days of the civil rights movement as an association of racial minority real estate brokers in response to the conditions and abuses that eventually gave rise to fair housing laws. Today, NAREB remains dedicated to equal housing opportunity and can be found at www.nareb.com. Many other professional organizations in the real estate industry have codes of ethics as well. In addition, many state real estate commissions are required by law to establish codes or canons of ethical behavior for licensees in their state.